You think your stomach growls because your brain is signaling hunger. Your stomach is actually just moving yesterday's lunch around on a timer.
Right now, whether you ate 2 hours ago or 6, your stomach is contracting and pushing gas and liquid through your gut in cycles that happen whether you're fasted or fed.
That sound you hear.
It's mechanical, not a distress signal. Your brain doesn't control those growls. True hunger comes from a hormone called ghrelin, something you can't hear at all. It floods your bloodstream quietly, independent of any rumbling. So next time your stomach rumbles in a meeting, you might not actually be hungry. You might just be on schedule. How many times have you eaten when your stomach wasn't actually hungry?